Okay, so how do I do this? Um, so adding and placing graphics. So in the Lynda thing that I just learned right now, or LinkedIn Learning, or whatever the hell it's called, I learned to place graphics, and placing isn't the hardest thing in the world, but it can be, I guess, annoying if you really don't know what you're doing. So, basically this image is blank. There's nothing here except a couple text down here, words or whatever, and this box. So if you want to place, you go to File and you place, or Control D, which is I just Control D everything because short keys are easier. And you can place text and you can place images. So let's start with images. So here is this Adobe Illustrator image, and you press Open. So right away, it puts it on my mouse, on my thing, and I can do one of three things. So if I just click, it's going to have this giant image that I have to like scale. And because it's Adobe Illustrator, it works in vectors, so it's super, big and everything like that. But that's good just because like we know how high quality it is, and we know that it will basically fit anything I put it on and look good. So just Control Z, and moved it around too much. So now I got it back. And then I can also drag and make my own box. And I think because it is an Adobe Illustrator and it's a vector thing, that the boxes are forcing it to be as proportionate as possible. Like I really can't, I'm not pressing anything right now, and I really can only do this. It's being proportionate as possible. So if I unclick, alright, now I've got my logo, move that a little bit to the middle, and, there we go. Right click, display performance. Oh, it's already on high quality, cool. And there you go. So now I've got that. And now another thing I can do is, I think I can do this. It was working, well, let's just start. If I go in a box, this is not a box, it's a box. Okay, so if I go in this box right here and click, it will make the logo, but it's really, really big. So with that, I have to do fitting, and then I have to put fill frame proportionally or fit content proportionally. I think if I do full frame, yeah, so if I do frame, it's just going to fill the frame, but it's not necessarily going to like be visible. So I think you have to do fit content. Yeah, you have to do fit content proportionally to the actual frame. So frame just means that like, I think it just means, actually I'm not entirely sure what it means, but I do know when to do fit content proportionally, that's the one that's going to make it in the size of the box. So those are just the one or three things you can do when it comes to placing images in InDesign. And yeah.